इस रेसिपी चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को दबाइए मेरे नए रेसिपी को देखने के लिए।
Welcome back guys to Joy's Recipe. Today we are going to show you how to make caramel pudding out of Weikfield Caramel Pudding mix. Let's see what is inside. This is the caramel and here is the mix. Start the flames. Place a saucepan with half a liter milk. In this milk, heat this caramel along with the milk. This heating will loosen the caramel, which will be easy to pour in. Heat this caramel for about 30 seconds. Take out the pouch. I have taken small steel bowls. Take this caramel pouch and cut a little. Pour this caramel in equal amounts in each bowl. This caramel all over the bottom. See, the caramel is smooth because of the heating. In this hot milk, add the mix. You just need to heat up the milk, not boil it. Stir continuously. Make sure no lumps is there. Stir until everything is dissolved. No need to add sugar or anything. The mix is ready. Turn off the flames. Now take the bowl with caramel bottom and pour the mix. The bowls are filled up. Now put this in the freezer for about 2 hours. So guys, this is all set and it's chilled now. Now it's time to demold. For demolding, keep it like this and turn it upside down. Tap a little. There is extra caramel in here. Scrape that out. Serve it chilled.